to God, Barry. Clock them.
Oh, my goodness, here, hostesses.
Stewardesses, they call themselves nowadays, you nerd.
Evening.
Do you speak English?
Yes,
Thought you would in your job. Where you from?
Sweden.
Sweden?
I thought you were Swedish. Something about your flawless complexion told me that.
Oh, yes, but what do you want?
Me? Oh, nothing. It's just that me and me chauffeur here are sort of strangers in a foreign land, much like yourselves. Only we were feeling very depressed and caught a glimpse of you two and it, well, sort of lifted our hearts.
Yes, what?
Made us feel glad all over.
What's happening?
It's hard to tell, son. We're dealing here with a Swedish mentality, which is pretty inscrutable at the best of times.
Ja, men mysigt. We are very flattered that you feel this way.
We're away, son. Follow that car.
Come on.
All right. The lights have changed.
On the home! Bloody hell.
Friggin' radish, Barry.
Will you stop calling me that place?
You've lost them.
I took a left.
If you lose them, I'll aim for you, Barry. I swear it. I'll aim for
Take
you.
a shortcut.
How?
Oh, I've got across there, look.
Yeah, well, be careful then. See? Overnight stop, innit?
Oh, should we go in then, or what?
Go in. You seen the state of us? We look like a pair of motocross riders.
Oh, I suppose we better go back and get cleaned up then, eh?
Right. We shall return.
All right.